Salut.
Have you ever heard the word salut?
Oh yes, salut, like they did at school.
Okay, next. Okay, so let's start reading again. Go.
Salut, les coucou, les responsables du jour est
What's the name of the pet?
it's not a pet, it's like a tutu.
Okay, what's the name of the tutu? Hugo.
Hugo. Bon lundi. Madame Alexandre.
Parfait. So let's start again. Now you know all the words. How come you know how to say this word with so many letters? How come you know how to say it?
Because every day I'm thinking about it.
Why are you thinking about it?
Cause it has so many words and
So many letters?
So many letters, and at school we need to do it every day.
Okay. So let's start again. 1, 2, 3, go. You know this word. You know this word. Go.
Sa. Salut.
Very good.
Le. Coucou. Et.
Le.
Responsable du jour est
Yes. Yes.
Bon lundi. Madame Roxane.
Okay, so what does it mean? What is she saying to you?
I'm just gonna do the whole sentence without you pointing.
Okay. Go.
Salut les cocos. Les responsables du jour est
Hugo.
Bon lundi, Madame Roxane.
Okay. Bless you. What's your teacher saying?
I don't know. I still don't understand.